Get what you pay for. Look at that. You can't really see it, but in all those grooves where they overlap is yellow, the old color of the house. Yeah, you can't see it on camera. See, yeah, there you can see it. Look at that. Just didn't even try. Look, there it is real good right there. Look at that. Look at the foundation here. Let's see. All right. This isn't so bad here. But look at this. Look at that. I mean, why? There's white all in the blue from them spray painting the shutters. Brush marks coming off here. And what are they gonna go with? They didn't decide if they're gonna paint the side of it blue or if they're gonna leave it white. It's insane. This, you can still see the old shutter color. And if you look up in there, I don't know if I can get it to focus, that's still the old yellow paint of the house. Yeah, look at that. Let's go over here and look. I mean, this doesn't really bother me, but Jenny doesn't like it. There's blue drips all on our concrete. I mean, one thing to point out too is this blue isn't the color we agreed on either. It is, it was supposed to be a very dark blue, a navy blue. But he threw it up on the house and said it'll look darker when it's up there. And Jenny said she didn't want it, but he kept it on there anyway. Look at that. I don't deal with contractors very often, but actually this is my first time. Look, one coat of paint too. You can't go from a light to a dark and just do one coat of paint. Look at all this. Didn't paint behind the gutter. Look at that. Just, I mean, and if you can see, just white flakes from them coming back later to paint the trim white. Let's see, go around the corner of the house. Of course, you know, that's mud splashed up on it from raining. I guess this is that mud or paint? I don't know. But yeah, they painted all of our boxes, which I guess is good. I don't know. But look at that. That could cause a fire, man. They painted the freaking lint trap. It's clogged up. What else we got? Paid them to do work on rot. This was the main reason we brought them over here. And we asked them secondary if they could do some painting. And they said, sure, sure. They fixed my rotting flashing up there. You know, they cut it out right in that area and replaced it. But where's my damn floodlight? It's gone. What the hell? They said they were gonna fix my gutter so this didn't happen again. And look at this. Let me back up a little bit. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Yeah, look at that. Look at all that rot. They can't lie and say they didn't see it because they freaking painted it, man. They painted a rotten spot of the house that we paid them to fix, and they said it was done. Called us at 9:15 in the evening when it was dark, asking them for the other half of their money. Look at this. That's the most important part to paint because that's gonna rot first. And they didn't paint it. Look at this. Didn't paint behind my gutter, which they said they were gonna do. It's really hard to see this stuff on camera. I can see it right here with my naked eye wearing sunglasses. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but they didn't paint in the grooves. They just used a spray painter. And you definitely probably can't see this on camera, but there's only one coat of paint. Only one coat of paint, and it almost looks like camo because some of their passes were thicker paint than others with that spray can that they had, whatever. It's a cool effect, you know. Walmart sells a shirt with a blue camo on it, but I didn't want my house looking like that. Look at this massive amount of old house color. Didn't even try. Look. Oh, look at that part right there. You can't see what I'm pointing at, but whatever. Right there, yeah. I knew they weren't going to do this. Jenny's still disappointed, but I knew they weren't going to do it. The up under the porch. Oh, you can't see that. It's not focusing. Oh, yeah, look. Look, they did it a little bit. And they sprayed. Look at that. Jesus. None of that's painted. I knew they weren't going to do that. I'm not super disappointed in that part, but I mean, again, that is part of the house. Didn't paint it. Oh, this is going to be a long video. It really needs to be like a 45-minute video, but I don't have time for that shit. Oh, let's see. You can't tell with the camera. Oh, you can kind of see it if that will load. Look at that. You can see that. I'm 60 feet away and I can see that with my naked eye. And that camera's kind of picking it up. The old yellow is shining through because they didn't paint between them, or however you want to say it. This looks fine, right? But you come out here with a flashlight at night, which was my only time to inspect it, which I guess is by design. I come out here at night looking, and the flashlight really shows it. But there's only one coat of paint here. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see every single one of those they left. I need to come through with a brush and get that. Look up top. They painted the shingle overhang. All right, which is weird, but whatever. And then they stopped painting it right about there. I don't know if it's focusing very well. Yeah, look. Just stop painting it. I don't know why. Left their tape up there. There's no telling if there's paint under that tape. I can't really tell how well a job they did on that. Is the door unlocked so I can show them the door? These shutters look better than the other ones because they took them off the wall and painted behind it. And they spray painted them with a brush while they were on the ground. But that other shutter over there, they didn't do. Look at this. Hold on, let me get it to focus. What the hell? Like, they said they were gonna fix this stuff. I've never got up there to feel it to see if it's soft wood, but they sure didn't put enough paint on it. And if it was soft, it needed to be replaced. That was what we agreed on. He said that everything they found that was rotten, they would charge us extra for. We would have to buy the wood, they would fix it. But they didn't do it. The flashing over there, that one part they replaced, there's no telling. It could be rotten up in there. I wouldn't believe that if it was rotten, they would have told me about it. They probably just fixed the flashing and left it. Look at this gutter that they said they'd fix. It's hanging off the wall. And they just put, what, silicone, some sort of putty behind it? Is this normal for contract work? Look at my roof. Look at the paint. Can you tell that on camera? I don't know. There's paint all over the roof, everywhere. And they were like, oh, don't worry, we're gonna get you a new roof. We'll get you a new roof. How are they gonna get me a new roof? Let's go up front. I'm gonna have to post this on YouTube just to share it. Wasn't planning on sharing it with the whole world, but maybe I should. I'll have to have some sort of language advisory at the beginning of it, because Jesus Christ, this looks like shit. I mean, I gotta just show that again, because that's my favorite part. You can see that from the road, 400 feet away, the bottom of our driveway, you can see that. They said they'd fix it. That's one of the things they straight up talked about. All right, let's go in my screen porch. Don't mind the porch. That wasn't part of the contract, can't blame them. All right, but this was all this paint. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Yeah, you can see that, right? Look how light it is here. I know that's my shadow, but just the unevenness of painting and not doing a second coat, and that old yellow shining through. And there we are again. They can't decide if they want to do blue or white. I honestly probably wouldn't care either way. It'd probably look better if it was all white, but that is a lot of extra work. I would have been fine if they just would have said, oh, let's take a brush and make this blue. That's easier. Less tape. What else we got in here? I mean, this part of the house is covered, so it doesn't look as bad. Look at this. I mean, you've got to be able to see that on camera. There's some white specks again. How'd they spill all this blue on my porch? I don't know. Look at this. All the white and blue and white and blue. I should have just paid them to mix the damn white and blue together and give me a really light blue on the entire house. They could have painted the damn driveway. It probably would have looked better. Again, I don't have experience with contractors. Maybe this is just average work. Look at this door. It's green, or it was green, and we told them just to paint it white because all the other doors were white. Look at that crap. You open the door. Look, open the door. They never even asked us to open the door so they could paint it properly. You see all the green still up there. They painted it with the door shut. Look at all this. My weather stripping's painted. It's just work ethic, you know, and they might be really good workers. They probably are. For some reason, they were treating my job that I paid them our hard-earned money for as an overtime job. They were coming over here at 6 o'clock at night every night doing this job after they'd probably already worked 10 hours somewhere else. Now, we didn't agree on that with the contractor. When he came, he said that he'd get a crew over here apparently and knock it out in a couple of days. And I just thought that meant like 10 people would come over here and literally do it in 2 days. But it took them 2 weeks to get it looking like this, and now they're saying it's done and they want the other half of their money. Is it done? Do they get the other half? I'm not paying them. Have to take me to court or something. The main question is, do I get them to come over here and point out all their mistakes and trust them to fix it and then pay them the other half when they do, or just find somebody else? Because I feel like I'm the jackass that didn't pay them last night because I came outside with a flashlight and saw all this. You know, they were very disappointed. I hate not paying people. I know they put in probably 10 hours on this. All the evenings they came and worked for 3 hours each evening, starting at 6 and working to 9, which is past dark over here, by the way. But holy crap. It's just terrible. Absolutely. Yeah, you can see the paint on the roof from here. All right.